Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a light brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Back, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, and then we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 31,030 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.